Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to turn a regular fly zapper into an actual working electric glove. The features of this electric glove will, when you put your hand together, it'll make sparks in your hand. And when you touch metal with the electric glove, then it'll also make sparks. One thing you really have to keep in mind though, the glove you're using has to be rubber and it has to be really heavy duty. If it's just a thin rubber glove, the electricity will get through over time and that will really hurt. So remember to get an actual heavy duty rubber glove, not like the one I used in this video.
Okay, so let's just get into it. Here I'm just showing how the actual fly zapper looks. I'm turning it around and you can see there's some screws. Now I'm pointing to the 4 screws at the top that you need to take out, as well as the one on the bottom and the one underneath the sticker. Now I've taken them all out and put the cover aside. Remember to keep the screws, and you just see the inside. Now I'm just pointing to all of the wires we need to cut, which is all of them. So just take any type of scissor or anything to just cut the wires there. Now I've found the 2 we actually need and taped the rest to the back. And now I'm putting back on the cover. Okay, now all the screws are in and it's tightly secured on. And I've singulated the 2 wires we actually need. Okay, now I'm pointing to them because we actually need to strip the plastic off them so the wires are showing. And I've done so. Now I'm going to connect a longer wire to each of them. And here you can see I'm soldering them on. You don't actually need to solder them on. You can just twist the wires together, but I just do it because I want it to be more secure. Okay, now I'm just going to do the same for the other wire. Here I am soldering it again. And there we go. Okay, so I've soldered them both on securely. Now we just need to strip the plastic off of them so it's just wire. Here it is, already done. Now we need to attach 2 more wires onto it, which we also need to solder. Okay, there they are, both soldered on. Now I've attached them to my rubber glove. It doesn't matter which way you attach them, just that they're not touching each other, but are quite close, but not too close. So just around the same, but you don't have to do it exactly. Now I've added 2 longer wires to it, so the battery would be further away from the glove, so we'd have more space to work with. Now you can see it's working, and when I press metal against it, it's actually making zaps. There we go. Now I've actually put it on. And as you can see, zaps are still coming and not shocking me even though I have it on. Now I've actually used belts to secure it onto my hand, and when I press my hand together, you can actually see sparks coming off it. And sparks will also come if you put it against metal. Sparks won't come if you put it against, only against metal sparks will come, or against each other.
Anyways, now we're at the end of the video. I hope now you know how to turn a regular fly zapper into an actual working electric glove. As I said in the intro, I would have actually used the electric glove in the outro, like right now. But the thing is, a rubber part of the glove that I used wasn't heavy duty enough, so the electricity actually got through, which was rather shocking. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.